Hello! Comfort if you there. I've been gone for a while. Don't listen to me. Turn it down a little bit. Turn it up. I know, but not that loud. I haven't made a video in a while because I've been so depressed that I realized I'm going to be forever alone lately. So I've been sitting in my bed eating for the past few days. That's why I haven't made a video. But I'm at my friend's house now. For your entertainment. And yo. This video isn't really gonna be like anything specific. It's just gonna be like I want to see my friend. Look, that's her. Oh, she's gone. I love her room. It's gorgeous. Like, here, I'm gonna stay in the corner, see if you can see everything. Can you see everything? Her room's awesome. And she has these pretty little fancy lights above. Oh. That's Candace, by the way. I think she has a YouTube channel. Oh my fuck! What is there a giant spider? Kill it! Ah! Ah! It's not giant. Oh, dead. Now, there was a spider. Can't see it. He's dead now. But look how huge that was. I'm a dry kitty whiskers on me. I'm here for your entertainment. Oh boy. Put on a good song. Can you even see my face? My ears are healing very nicely, actually. Can you see that? Yeah, that's my ear sticker. And I really need to get my hair done soon. I was supposed to be getting it today, but my cousin hasn't been on Facebook, so I can't talk to her. But like, my roots are coming in so badly, like, no joke. It's like not even funny. Ah, it's terrible. Like, look at that. Not cool. My hair is really messy. Oh, my children. Oh, second it went first. Wanna come be in my video? What? I want to. What? Want to? What? Come be in my video. No. Why? No. Oh. Attract the ladies. Attract the men. Oh, I think I got that. Make an entrance. How do you put it? Go lid back on. Never mind, got it. You should put it on something else. What? No. Little things. I'm feeling yucky, so I'm going to take some Tums. Is that orange? I'm very picky with my Tums colors. You should turn it up. What? I love you. Yeah. On your eyes when you smile, you mess up. I'm going to leave now. Yeah. What? Say bye, Candace.